In this video, we'll take a look at how you can reset different aspects of your Garmin eTrex 22x or 32x. From the main menu, we'll find our setup, we'll press enter, and we'll scroll down until we find the reset icon, press enter. From here, we can reset a whole bunch of different things. We can reset trip data, timers, and etc. And will give us a prompt, yes or no. We can hit back if you don't want to delete. We can delete all waypoints. You can see the amount of memory allocated. Same decision, yes, no. Clear track and trip data. We can do that. We can reset all settings. So any customization, data fields, any other settings that you may have adjusted, you want to reset them all. We can do that. It will not remove saved user data such as tracks and waypoints. Or if you want to do a full reset, we have delete all. This will remove all saved user data and restore the default settings. Personal data history such as track and waypoints will be removed. You want to continue. If you say yes to that, we'll let it do its thing. Should take a few seconds. And when we do the full reset like this, it will do a restart. And there you go, we're back to our setup screen, just like we got out of the box. From here, if you were to sell this or give it to somebody, you can just turn it off, and then when they turn it on, they'll get the screen and they'll just customize it as they would if it was brand new. Otherwise, you can just continue with the wizard screen yourself, and then you're back with the default settings. And there you go. That is basically how you reset your Garmin eTrex 22x or 32x.